Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 26th of August 2021 question number 4. So the value of the integration is given here between the limit minus half to half x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus x minus x plus 1 by x minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole to the power half dx is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of definite integration, and it's also a memory based question. So at first given integration I is equal to what? I is equal to, let this integration between the limit minus half to half x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 to the power half dx. So now simplifying this one, so limit minus half to plus half, and this one become root over x minus 1 divide x plus 1 minus of x plus 1 divide x minus 1 this square dx. So this one is equal to minus half to half, and again simplifying it, we get minus 4x by 1 minus x square. So it is 1 minus x square minus 1, that is 1 minus x square dx whole square dx. So now if it is a square, minus is not acceptable here as it is a perfect square. So now root x square is equal to mod x we take, and it is a perfect square. Three conditions are happened: perfect square, and it is even function. Okay, so now this one is equal to, when we simplifying this one, so minus half to plus half, one minus is getting off here, and it is we eliminated, when we eliminated mod, then it become 4x by 1 minus x square. So so this one now minus of integration half minus half to half, now we change the limit as it is perfect even function, so its limits is 0 to plus half. So here 1 2 is out of this, so now taking mod, so it is 1 minus x square dx. So now change, here we change 4 and it is 2, so interchanging this, so here we get 0 to half twice x divide 1 minus x square dx. So 1 minus is here. So now when we do integration, so here we get minus 4 log of ln mod of 1 minus x square. This one is in the bracket, so this one is between the limit 0 to half. So now putting the lower and upper limit, we get minus 4 ln 3 by 4. So here we get 4 ln 4 by 3. So this is our required answer, and our right option is 4 ln 4 by 3. So option 3 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 4. Now moving to question 5. So question 5 is let a argument of z plus 1 divided z minus 1 is equal to pi by 4. Then the locus of z is a circle whose radius and center respectively 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of complex number, and it's also a memory based question, and question is from JEE Main Shift 1, 26th of August 2021. So at first, this is our two axes, x and y axis, and we draw the this one, the 2 points circle. So it is 1 0 and it is minus 1 0. So now we draw the circle. This is the circle. So here we get this is the diameter, and it is the integrating z, and here we extended, then it is z plus 1, and this one is z minus 1. Now if you join the point, so this one is perpendicular, and major arc is toward positive direction, but the pictures don't satisfy the condition, as it is on the major axis, that is here it is not pi by 4. This angle is not pi by 4. So picture 1 is not satisfied with the condition. Now moving to picture 2, that is major arc is here. So negative x axis, sorry, here it is the point, this is 1 0. Now draw again the picture, that is B, this minus 1 0. So now the picture now become, here is the major axis and this is the minor axis. So this is, imagine this is the circle. So now this is the center of the circle P. So now join the point B to P and B to A. Sorry, B to A. This one is wrong. B to A. So now this angle become, this angle is pi by 4, satisfied, and here is the point P, and here is suppose this is the axis O. So now according to this angle, this picture, OA is equal to what? OA is equal to OP. So OA is equal to OP, that is equal to, here is the sum, if we plot this is equal to 2 as, so now this one is 1 only, this is unit 1. So now according to this picture, OA is equal to what? OP, that is equal to 1, and P is the point center, that is equal to O comma minus 1. This is the center. It is picture 2. From picture 2, picture 2. It is picture 2 and it is picture 1. So now P and AP is equal to radius. AP is equal to radius. So it is where it is 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So now question asks which is the radius and the center. So center is equal to 0, 1 and radius is equal to √2. So our right option is option 2 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 5. These are the two solutions. I post regular basis solution for all the questions of JEE Main. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.